Okay, we have a 2024 Kia EV6. This one is a wind rear-wheel drive, and then the color is gravity blue. Let's take a look at the front up here. It's nice and clean. Over here we have a little bit of extra storage. Open that up. And let's get a good look at that color. You can really see it sparkle and shine in the sun. Very nice. All right. Here's going to be your charge door. It's going to open up to your charge port. It's fully automatic, and then to close it's going to be the same thing. It'll close right on its own. Very nice. Here's the trunk. You got a lot of room back here. Right there's the rear floor mats, and then under here is going to be some more storage. It comes with a tire mobility kit too. Nice. And this as well is going to be fully automatic. Click of a button, close right up. All right. Let's check out the rear seats. As you can see, we have the Meridian surround. Pretty good audio system. All right, and then you got USB Type-Cs right here. They're going to be on both sides. And then over here is going to be your cup holders. Cool. All right. Here's your cruise control settings. Then here's going to be your drive modes. And then here's your infotainment settings. Pretty big screen, got a lot of apps, a lot of options. Over here is going to be your climate control, and then you can switch between climate control and your other infotainment settings. Pretty cool, just by clicking this button. Over here we got ventilated seats, and then we also got seat heaters on both sides. Nice. We also have a wireless charger right here, and then center compartment will open up, get a good amount of room down here. And then also over here you get some extra room too, a lot of USBs. All right, nice. And there you have it.